This incredible property offers lakefront living, surrounded by the serenity of nature, ideally located for spectacular long lake views. It's situated close to the Oswego Lake Country Club and is next door to Lake Oswego's private island, and with easy access to downtown Lake Oswego. Complete with a dock and boathouse, it's easy to enjoy lazy summer days and breezy evenings from your impeccably cared-for home. From multiple decks, you'll enjoy numerous tranquil, entertaining spaces with gorgeous lake views. You'll even find a vintage wooden hot tub where you can unwind from the stresses of the day. Or sit back and relax on the porch swing while listening to the sounds of the natural creek running through the property into the lake. This quiet and calm location by the island is perfect for swimming or entertaining, with protection from noise and boat traffic. In addition to the mostly rebuilt dock, the boathouse is ready for your favorite toys. This beautiful home provides main-level living with exterior entrances downstairs, a wet bar, and second master, offering the potential for additional living quarters. An exceptional opportunity in a premier lakefront location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.